let's bring in Adam now.
Let's do that. You got nervousness creasing about an end to the rally in stocks. You know about that. Some traders are putting retailers in the crosshairs.
And Adam's going to tell us about the strategies.
Yeah, I sure am. We've been making a lot of calls around the street, and I'll tell you what's taking shape as the next great short trade. Retail ahead of second quarter earnings.
You mean the consumer
Shorting.
really is in trouble, right?
Yeah, let me tell you something you don't know, right?
And by short, you don't mean a trade that you make in a few days. You mean shorting retail shares.
This is one of these things, we've been talking for weeks now about crude versus nat gas, right? That's a big trade. It's a theme. It's in the market. Well, this is potentially the next theme. That's what we're getting at here as we talk to guys. Let me sort of put this in context. Stocks trading down on good news. All right, it happened yesterday. Best Buy, they beat. What did the stock do? Traded down 7%. All right, Home Depot, last week, they guided up. What has it done? It's traded down. And it's not traded down a lot, just a little, and that's the point. It's subtle. This is just starting to gather momentum as we talk to traders.
Does that mean people are putting these shorts on already?
They're going very slowly, Matt. They're not diving in. As a matter of fact, Joe Saluzzi at Themis Trading pointed out, he said, rather than dive in, you're looking for, because you don't want to get burned, you're looking for a catalyst, something that disappoints, like retail sales or durable goods where people are expecting a good number, comes out, it's not good, and then people say, aha, here's the moment, we need to go in big.
Everybody, I mean, I think about something like a Walmart or some of those, dollar stores.
Yeah, I know. Well, guess what? There's an interesting trade that's happening. We're not just seeing, and this comes from a couple of different ads. Joe Feldman over at Telsey, as well as Howard Davidovitz, that's right, talking about trading down. In other words, you're not just trading down within Walmart and going to generic brands. You're even trading down from Walmart to the dollar stores, Dollar General, Dollar Tree, stores like that. So they're actually making Walmart look expensive, if you can believe that.
But
that's
because of Walmart's,
here.
I mean, Walmart's one you don't necessarily want to short, right? Which is why you're not doing the play on the ETFs.
Yeah, and that's another point. As we talk to these different trading desks, guys are not trading the ETFs. Usually we talk about which ETFs are you. Well, the retail holders index, the number one is Walmart, 22%. Costco's in there, and the XLY, which is a consumer. You've got names like Nike, Amazon. I mean, they'll undercut anyone. So you have to get exposure by going to the names. And for names, department stores and clothing retailers, that's what they're shorting.
But it's still early in this trade.
Oh yeah, they're going very small. They don't want to get burned. They'll step in. They're waiting for the aha moment. That's if retail sales and durable goods disappoint.
By the way, did you hear, by the way, that Jimmy Choo is going to start selling
at H&M? Well, I think they're going to sponsor a line. We should talk. Jimmy Choo, H&M. This is
talk about aha moment.
Aha.